Hello and welcome to Korea Overlander, everyone. My name is Ben, and thank you so much for you being here today. It has been a couple of weeks since I have uploaded a video for all of my wonderful subscribers out there. Basically, well, as you can see, we've moved into a new place. This is my office. It's not yet complete, but that's not going to stop me today from bringing you something extra special on Gear Wednesdays, which is this little box right here. That's right. No, that's not what I'm doing. It's inside the box. That's right. This is my birthday present from my wife, and because that's what I asked for. And this inside is the Suunto Core All Black outdoor watch. Unboxing coming up. Okay, everybody, welcome back. Here we go. The box is ready. I've been so waiting for this. This is so exciting. I think it's not my first, obviously not my first gear review. It's the second unboxing that I've done because I did the two stoves. But this one I'm really excited about. And let me tell you why. A few years ago, I actually was looking for a watch and came across this one. I liked the style of it, but it was also over $500, which at that point for me, for a watch, just did not seem like the right thing to do. But a little while ago, I was doing a search on YouTube, and turns out that these watches are much less expensive. I will leave a link down in the description below to Amazon. I think you can get these for about less than $150. I will also leave a link to, because we're here in Korea, I will also leave a link to a Naver search item, product item for this one as well, so that if you are here in Korea, you can use the Naver search to find it as well. It did take about a week or so to arrive, maybe a little bit more, but let's go. Let's get the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this open, and I'm going to leave all the sounds in there, the tape ripping, everything like that, because, you know, it's an unboxing, and I wish I had a little knife, a Swiss Army knife. Hey, one of you could send it to me. I'd be okay with that. Yeah, freebies for the channel. I'll give you a shout out. All right, here we go. Yeah. Okay, so in the box is the box. Let me put that aside here. And we also have two other things in the box. Put that over there. We have the actual, we've got the actual receipt here. So we ordered this on July 15th. It is now July 26th. So it's actually a little bit over a week, obviously. All right, so that's in there, which is nice. Now, I think that's going to be different depending on the shipper that comes to you. And I also have this. This is Certificate of Authenticity Joma Shop. Congratulations on your new purchase. So it says on this, Joma Shop affirms that this product was sourced directly via authorized dealers or respected industry wholesalers or distributors. We hereby certify the authenticity of this product. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. Very interesting that that's come in the package. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Okay, let's get into the box here. Let's get into the box. So I'm going to be trying to create some B-roll on this for you while we do our voiceover here. So okay. So before I do the unboxing, let me explain why I wanted to get this one in particular. It's 2021. You might be thinking, well, why aren't you just going for a smartwatch, Benny? Because that would make sense. Everybody's wearing them, right? You're right. They are. But here's the thing. First of all, they're generally more expensive. Smartwatches can be relatively inexpensive, but for something more outdoors, you're probably looking at around at least $400 to $500 for a decent one. And if you're looking one that's really more like outdoor oriented, very rugged, you could look upwards of $700 to $800, way outside my price range, to be quite honest. The second thing is battery life on a smartwatch. Typically, you're only going to be running a day or two maybe before you have to recharge it. And if you are out in the wilderness for any length of time, a smartwatch isn't going to really do you any good if the battery is dead and you can't charge it. So with this one here, it just comes with a regular little quarter-size battery, runs anywhere between 6 to 8 months. More than good enough for the vast majority of what I think you and I probably do. A couple of other reasons why I got this one. Let me take my glasses off so I can read. Altimeter, barometer, compass, weather functions. It is a mountain and everywhere use. So essentially it's designed for being outdoors. It gives you the data that you might need or want when you are outside doing your hikes, especially in Korea with all of the mountains and stuff like that we're going on. So that was one of the things I wanted to do. And for the price point now, compared to that price point several years ago, this I think is a big bang for the buck. So the other reason that I got this was looking at reviews myself. This watch still seemed to cater to an outdoor group of people. There was a lot of military that wear this. In fact, I think this is the go-to watch for the Swedish Army, if I'm not mistaken, because that's where it's coming from. And it has, it has served well with American soldiers overseas, and to me that seemed like a good thing, given the fact that you're going to be in areas that are obviously potentially combat zones, Afghanistan, Iraq, etc., other areas, and the reviews that I read seemed to indicate that this was a bang up product and did very, very well. Also quite used by law enforcement as well, it seems. So it certainly has developed a niche as a particular particular individual will wear these because most likely of the product quality itself. So there's a little sleeve that goes over top. You can just push that out. This has, on the box here, it has all of the, let's straighten that out. There we go. It has all of the necessary information on this. So it does have the warranty, the QR codes on there as well. Inside the box, it's going to have the watch and a set of instructions. The battery will last between 0 and a year. It does have a 30-meter waterproofing, which is nice, or 100 meters. 30 meters or 100 feet. There we go. Got that mixed up. So yeah, splash resistance and stuff like that's not going to be a problem. Okay, that's the look at it right now. Let's jump in and see what's in the box. All right, so I'm going to open this up here. Took the sleeve off. There's the box. Nice packaging. Very solid, which is really, really nice. You know, flip that. I like the little logo on there, Suunto, and you just lift it right up. And there it is. So nice. So that's what it looks like when you open up the box. So let me pull this out here. There's a little another little sleeve that goes inside. So I'm going to pull that out. And oh, look at that! It actually is. The sleeve is actually attached, so the watch just hangs there. Let me show you what's inside. We have additional bands. These are the wristbands that go around to keep everything tight around your wrist. So that's nice there. And then there's this other piece right here. And you can see inside you have all of your instructions all nicely in there. Warranty card and your quick guide. Now, what I am going to do is I'm actually going to do a second video on this. This is just the unboxing and first impressions. I am going to do a video specifically related to the guide itself and go through all of the different things that you can do with the watch and how to set it up, etc., etc. So stay tuned for that video. Hit the sub button, hit the like button, hit the share button, and don't forget to stay tuned for that next one. So this week, 2 videos on the Suunto watch. This one and the quick guide watch review as well. Okay, so let me take the watch out here. Very nice. Not as heavy as I thought it would be, actually. Very interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna pop out get the sound effect in there. There we go. Pop that out. So that just keeps the band from going all wonky. And we've got some plastic around the band. Take that one off there. Good. Take this other one off. This one's kind of stuck here. Ah, there we go. Okay, good. Got that off. All right. So there is the watch right there. These 2 pieces here are extra for these 2 pieces here to hold the strap down. So that's what those are for there. Perfect. I'm really surprised that it's not as heavy. All right, so let's do this. Ooh, nice buckle. Okay, nice big buckle. I like that. It's not a timid buckle it's not heavy, but it's definitely got some nice weight to it. It's definitely a solid one. Okay, very cool. Now, this here is your peel, right? So I'm going to take that off right there. Very nice. And that's what it looks like there when it's not turned on. Now you can see here on the face, it's got your time, altimeter, barometer, your compass. It also has the 2 fluorescents at the top indicating your north, and then this is your compass around. So this actually turns. Let's get the clicks. Very nice. Now, as I don't know actually how to turn this on. Oh, wait, hang on. We got something else down here. Another piece of plastic. There we go. Take that off. Excellent. Okay, wow, looks so nice. Now, let me put it on. See how it feels. Oh, man, that feels nice. Wow, there we go. So there's the watch there. You can kind of get an idea of it sitting on my sitting on my wrist. I don't have particularly like huge wrists or anything, but this one sits very, very nice. It's comfortable. It's the strap is very smooth actually. It does not have a lot of weight on your wrist. I have not worn a watch for probably 10 years. So the fact that I've got a watch on my wrist feels a little weird, but I think if you normally would wear a watch, I think you're gonna find this very, very comfortable indeed. So, wow, yeah, first impressions are awesome. Smells like rubber, love it. Okay. So yeah, first impressions, 2 thumbs up from here. Super excited about actually going through and getting this all set up. Remember, I am going to be doing a guide video on this. This is just the unboxing. Cha-ching, I've got it. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and get ready for that next video. Thanks very much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and remember, live life well.